At 1 o'clock after midnight, a plane carrying Qasim Sulaymani arrives from Damascus to Baghdad. He was received at the airport by Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis. Moments after leaving the airport, violent explosions rocked the Iraqi capital Baghdad. Early reports suggested the explosions were the result of missiles fired from a drone. At 2 in the morning, Baghdad International Airport goes into lockdown with air navigation being suspended. 2:09 a.m., international coalition aircraft begin hovering above Baghdad International Airport. At 4:02 a.m., it's been announced that the IRGC Quds Force Commander Qasim Sulaymani and the Deputy Chief of the Popular Mobilization Unit Militia, Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis, have been killed as they were departing the area in a convoy. 5:25 a.m., the PMU confirms the killing of its Deputy Commander, Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis, and Qasim Sulaymani as a result of US airstrikes. At 5:37 a.m., the Iranian Revolutionary Guard confirms the killing of Qasim Sulaymani, the commander of the Quds Force in Baghdad. Ismail Naar, العربيه English.